Hey, what's going on, guys? Just Jordan here, back with another video. Today we have another sneaker boxing, but before we get into the sneaker box, we just got a few pickups. So pretty much this past week I was out of town for work and I was near the Woodbury outlets. So for these three things I paid $132 and change. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ooh, I don't know if you guys saw that. I wasn't gonna wait in line for that long and not buy anything, and I wanted something a little bit different, so I decided to go with this Nike t-shirt right here. Just it's orange, all orange Nike t-shirt, Nike logo right there embroidered, and that's the shirt. This was $22.50. I don't know what the original retail price was. I don't know if it was half off or what. And the second thing I got, I was looking at other stuff, but figured I'd get some shorts. Can't go wrong with shorts, especially Nike shorts are comfortable. So these were on sale for $19, $20. I think they're $20. I just really like these. I was debating between these and a gray pair, but I decided to get the all black. I just felt the all black was a bit cleaner. But as you guys can see, it's just like, it's not like a normal short material. It's kind of like a t-shirt material. I don't know what the material is. My favorite part about it was it has the embroidered Nike swoosh that's also blacked out. That was my favorite part. Like you guys can see, like it shines a little bit. It's kind of like a chrome effect going on there. I just really liked the material and the blacked out swoosh. That's why I copped these. And last thing we got from the Nike outlet right here. They had, I didn't vlog really. I could have vlogged, but I just decided it was raining and just everything going on with the mask and stuff like that. It was kind of hard to be doing that. So I didn't, but I think you guys just might have saw those right there. But copped these. So these retailed for $130. And I paid $89 for them, so not bad. They're size 10, so if you guys can see that right there, and here they are, the Atmos. What are the exactly? The Atmos Air Max 2 Light Quick Strike. They had two pairs of these, but I just copped one pair. I was thinking about getting the other pair too, but I decided just to get one pair. I'm gonna go ahead and put the box back up here. But these guys, surprised they really didn't resell too well. They're below retail right now, but I can still make a little bit of money off these considering I only paid $89 for them. I wish they were my size. If these were a 10.5 or 11, I probably would have been keeping them, but they're not. They're size 10, so gonna be letting them go, but couldn't pass on these. One of the best things I've seen at the outlets in the past few times I've been there. Air Max, Atmos Air Maxes. That was last pickup from Nike. And last but not least, you guys see this? We got more Nike coming in. Finally. Nike sneakers. This was the first time I hit on Nike sneakers since 2018. I think it was November 17th. For some reason, I remember the date. I'm pretty sure it was November 17th, 2018, when I hit on the Rookie of the Year Jordan 1s. And I believe that was a live cop video on my channel 2 years ago, going on 2 years ago. If I can find it, I'll put that link in the description when I hit. I'm pretty sure I had a live cop video. Maybe it never got to YouTube, but I'm pretty sure I made a video regardless. But anyway, hit Nike sneakers, like I said, first time in 2 years. So big box right here, but I'm going to grab my knife over here to the side. And we're just going to get right into it. I think I should be fine opening it from this side. So we are going to the icon. So yeah. So we're going to go ahead, crack this open. So I was in a meeting for work when these dropped and we had a little break time. So I went ahead and tried. And I tried on Foot Locker, and like all the foot sites, and no luck on those. But yeah, I hit on Nike sneakers for the first time in 2 years. I'm shocked by that, but I was hyped. So we're gonna go ahead, peel the box, but you guys already know what's going on. And these were actually hard to get. Like I ended up getting these in cart twice on Foot Locker, and it wouldn't let me check out for some reason. Toss the box in the back. It wouldn't let me check out, and I was just having issues with it. It kept giving me errors and stuff like that. So I ended up only getting the one pair, but I'm happy to at least got one pair, especially hitting on Nike sneakers for the first time in 2 years. I'm sorry. It's just crazy that it took that long. to get another W, another got 'em on Nike sneakers. But anyway, you guys already know what we got going on. Show you guys that Air Jordan 14 size 10. Retail was $190, paid $205, but I paid with a gift card as well. I had like $56 and change left on the gift card, so I technically out of pocket paid $148 for these. Crack open the box. I haven't had a pair of 14s like ever either, so I'm ripping stuff over here. So here they are, the Toro or Gym Red Jordan 14s. These are a size 10 and look huge. Maybe it's just me. But as you guys can see, Toro 4s, Toro 5, Toro 14s, there we go. Mixing my numbers up. So we're gonna go ahead, take the other shoe out of the box. Here they are, guys, the Jordan 14 Toros, the Gym Reds, the discount Ferraris, whatever you guys want to call them. Haven't had a pair of 14s ever. I do like this model, I just never had a pair. Hopefully that stays in the back right there. But anyway, Jordan 14s. So we're gonna go ahead and start the bottom. Black bottom, red little Jumpman right there, red little like red 14 logo. Should have known that was gonna happen. Red 14 logo. Anyway, so Jordan 14 logo right there, Jordan logo right there, all black bottom, white midsole going around a little plastic black piece right there, red, little hits in the back as well, like I said, white midsole. Then you got red, like that nubuck upper, black suede on the, or suede-ish material on the toe box, white Jumpman on the toe box, black laces, black inside, red Jumpman, Jumpman 23 on the back, if that would focus on that. There we go. And, of course, the best part, the Ferrari looking, whoops, I'm moving the camera now and everything. Red upper right there, and then you got the Jumpman logo right there. I'm trying to get it to focus. It doesn't want to focus, but you guys can see it, the Ferrari looking Jumpman logo right there. Like I said, black, and then black on the tongue, little Jordan logo right there. And that is the quick review of the Jordan 14 Toro, aka the Gym Reds, aka the discount Ferraris. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. It was a bit of a long one, but it's okay. I was gone for a week for work, but in that week, copped these. Well, these came out before I left, but they came in earlier this week and I wasn't around. But anyway, got these in, and we also picked up these from the Nike outlets. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap this video. Hope you guys all enjoy. Make sure to check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel, resale page, FIZZ Kicks, clothing brand FIZZ New York. And if you guys did enjoy the video, like the video, subscribe if you aren't already, comment down below. Did you guys hit on these Toro 4s? I keep saying the 4s. Did you guys hit on these, the Toro 14s? And I will see you guys all in the next video. That's it. Peace.